Hello and good evening, friends. Welcome back to Shakuntalam Classes, your only channel for B.Ed studies. I hope you all are doing well. And today I will be discussing questions from Economics Pedagogy. And before I start with the session, guys, if you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And please switch on the notification button to get the latest updates. So starting with question number 1, economics is the subject of option A individual, option B practical, option C psychologist, and option D philosopher. So your answer will be option number B practical. Economics is the subject of practical. Moving on to the next question, economics is the science that deals with money. Whose definition is this? Option A Adam Smith, option B Stuart Mill, option C JBC, and option D is Walker. So your answer is option number C JBC. Okay. Question number 3 is economics is the science of material welfare. Whose statement is this? Options are option A Marshall, option B Rosher, option C Robbins, and option D is Professor Pigou. So your answer will be Professor Pigou. Moving on to the next question. This type of rules are also made in economics. Option A complex, option B individual, option C universal, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option C universal. Question number 5 is economics is option A art, option B science, option C both art and science, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C both art and science. Question number 6 is purity, contentment, and salvation to men are attained only by money. Who gave this definition? Option A Chanakya, option B Walker, option C Maharshi Shukra, and option D is Adam Smith. And your answer will be option number C Maharshi Shukra. Moving on to the next question, into how many parts is the practical importance of teaching economics divided? Option A personal importance, option B social importance, option C both A and B, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C both A and B. Moving on to the next question, dharma or virtue and pleasure are attained by only money. Who gave this definition? Options are option A JVC, option B Chanakya, option C Walker, and option D is Adam Smith. So your answer will be option number B Chanakya, who also wrote Arthashastra. Question number 9 is who was the first to use the word correlation in education? Option A Herbert, option B Spencer, option C Smith, and option D is Comath. So your answer will be option number A. Herbert was the first one to use the term correlation in education. Question 10 is what are the types of coordination, or how many types of coordinations are there? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D is none of these, and your answer is option number B 3. Moving on to the next question, question number 11. Which particular trait increases the possibilities of coordination? Option A learning, option B transfer of learning, option C transfer, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number B transfer of learning. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is the aim of teaching social studies at primary level? Options are: option A, knowledge of various physical means; option B, appreciative attitudes towards labor; option C is development of national spirit; and option D is all of these. So your answer will be option number D, all of these. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is the aim of teaching social studies at secondary level? Option A, knowledge of change process; option B, transfer of learning; option C, need for democracy; and option D is all of these. So your answer will be option number D, all of these. The next question is, which of the following is a practical way of writing objectives? Option A, Robert Major method; option B, Regional College of Mysore law method; option C, both A and B; and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option C, A and B both. Moving on to question number 15. Which of the following scholars tried to write military instruction in practical form? Option A, Duker; option B, Bloom; option C, Robert Meagher; and option D is Robert Miller. And your answer is option number D, Robert Miller. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following scholar has given a practical view of the objectives of the cognitive and affective aspects of the objectives more interestingly? Options are: option A, Robert Major; option B, Robert Miller; option C, Duker; and option D is Bloom. And your answer is option A, Robert Major. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following scholars took more interest in writing the objectives of the functional side in practical form? Options are: option A, Duker; option B, Robert Miller; option C, Bloom; and option D is Robert Meagher. So your answer is option B, Robert Miller. Question 18 is, development of economic efficiency is the objective of option A, pre-secondary level; option B, secondary level; option C, higher secondary level; and option D is primary level. So your answer will be option C, higher secondary level. Question number 19 is, who is the author of Taxonomy of Educational Objective? Option A, Guilford; option B, Bloom; option C, Meagher; and option D, Cathwall. So your answer is option number B, B.S. Bloom. Guys, I have made a special video on important books and authors. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go in the playlist section and watch that video because it's going to be helpful for your pedagogy exams. Next question is, RCEM is related to option A, classification of valuation; option B, classification of objects; option C, classification of measurements; and option D is classification of textbooks. So your answer will be option number B, classification of objects. Next one is, have attainable objectives. Option A, broad; option B, general; option C, specific; and option D is subjective. So your answer will be option number C, specific. Moving on to the next question. The curriculum must understand the essence of all the knowledge and experience of mankind. This statement was given by option A, Froebel; option B, Monroe; option C, Goldsmith; and option D is Horn. So your answer will be option A, Frederick Froebel. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is not a principle of curriculum building? Option A, principle of action. Option B, theory of utility. Option C, the principle of generality. And option D is theory of implicit experiences. So your answer will be option number D, theory of implicit experiences. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is a level of economics? Option A, local economics. Option B, provincial economics. Option C, national economics. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D. Moving on to the next question, the source method of teaching economics is the basic source of option A, material goods, option B, oral statement, option C, written or printed record, and option D is all of these. So your answer will be option number D, all of these. Question number 26 is, in inductive method or arrival method, what is done? Option A, from general to specific. Option B, from specific to general. Option C, from whole to part. And option D is from part to whole. So your answer will be from general to specific. The next question is, in deductive method or in incorporation law, what is done? Option A, from general to specific. Option B, from specific to general. Option C, from whole to part. And option D is from part to whole. So your answer will be option number B, from specific to general. Moving on to the next question. Which method is not student centered? Option A, project method. Option B, problem solving method. Option C, lecture method. And option D is search method. So your answer will be option number C, lecture method. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following development takes place through co-curricular activities? Option A, physical development. Option B, mental development. Option C, affective development or bhavatmak vikas. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. Moving on to the next question. The main component of the education process is option A, curriculum. Option B, textbook. Option C, co-curricular activities. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. Moving on to the next question, that is, objectives of co-curricular activities are option A, to provide self-government experience to the students. Option B, all-round development of the students. Option C, utilization of leisure. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D. The next question is, which of the following verbs is not related to co-curricular verb? Option A, agricultural work. Option B, excursion. Option C, science club. And option D is tourism. So your answer will be option D, tourism. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is developed in the students by educational tours? Option A, aesthetic abilities. Option B, the spirit of cooperation. Option C, cognitive and emotional side of the students. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. The next question is, the father of economics is option A, Robbins. Option B, Adam Smith. Option C, Marshall. And option D is Keynes. So your answer will be Adam Smith is the father of economics. Moving on to the next question, economics has strangled itself by definitions means अर्थशास्त्र ने परिभाषाओं से अपना गला घोंट लिया है. This statement is said by option A Robbins, option B Marshall, option C Keynes and option D is Adam Smith. So your answer will be option number C Keynes. The next question is the definition of economics is given in terms of money by option A Adam Smith, option B Marshall, option C Keynes and option D is Robbins. So your answer is option number A Adam Smith. Next one is economics is the science of material welfare. Who has given this statement? Option A Marshall, option B Pigou, option C Robbins and option D is Pynchon. So your answer will be option number D Pynchon. Next one is who said the psychological science of economics is? Option A Professor Sille, option B Professor Marshall, option C Professor J.S. Mill and option D is Robbins. So your answer is option D Robbins. The next one is the Department of Economics is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4 and option D is 5 and your right answer is the Department of Economics are total 3 in number. So option B is your correct answer. Question number 40 is imperialism is the final system of capitalism. This statement is given by option A Keynes, option B Lenin, option C Marshall and option D is Karl Marx. So your answer will be option number B Lenin. The next one is the definition of economics related to welfare has been given by option A J.K. Mehta, option B Marshall, option C Pigou and option D Robbins. So your answer will be option B Marshall. The next one is the needless definition of economics is given by option A Robbins, option B J.K. Mehta, option C Marshall and option D Pigou. So your answer will be option number B J.K. Mehta. The needless definition of economics is given by Professor J.K. Mehta. Okay. The next one is the definition of rarity of economics is given by option A Marshall, option B Robbins, option C Pigou and option D is J.K. Mehta. So your answer will be option number B Robbins. The next one is first of all, with respect to any important aspect of economic behavior, option A, beliefs are established, option B, principles are established, option C, rules are established and option D is all of the above. So your answer is option A, beliefs are established. Moving on to the next question, the purpose of economics is such that it can be accomplished only by experience and logic. This statement is given by option A Lassley, option B Karl Maeser, option C Scher and option D is none of these and your answer is option number C Scher. Question number 46 is economics may not reach the level of science. This statement was given by option A Carl Major, option B Leslie, option C Scher, and option D is Professor Robbins. So your answer will be option number B Leslie. Moving on to the next question, what is the experience system inductive system called in other scriptures? Option A historical system, option B experimental system, option C real system, and option D is all of the above. So your answer is option number D, all of the above. The next one is which is found relative in estimation system or deduction. Options are option A lack of practicality of conclusions, option A lack of universality, option C conclusions being beyond reality, and option D is all of the above. So your answer will be option number D, all of the above. Moving on to the next question, the problem of election arises. Option A due to limited resources, option B because of unlimited needs, option C due to both A and B, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C, both A and B. Question number 50 is the problem of election is option A an economic problem, option B an non-economic problem, option B a social problem, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number A, an economic system. With this we have completed 50 questions from economics pedagogy. Dear students, keep on revising things again and again. That is only going to help for your exam. Revision is very essential for exams. If you don't revise, if you have studied the whole syllabus but you haven't given time for revision, then it's a complete waste whatever you have given to your studies. So make sure that revision is done multiple times so as to ensure your good result in the exams. Moving on to the question number 51, which component is involved in the problem of choice? Option A infinite needs, option B limited resources, option C alternative use of resources, and option D is all of the above. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Question 52 is the author of an essay on the nature and significance of economic science is option A Professor Robbins, option B Professor Marshall, option C Professor Pigou, and option D is none of these. So your answer is option number A, Professor Robbins. Dear students, you can do one thing for your examination is that is make a separate notes for the definitions, make a separate notes for the author and books, and make a separate notes for the important years. This will be very useful for your last minute revision. The next question is, when the time and means to fulfill the goals are limited and they can have alternative uses and distinction can be made between different types of goals on the basis of importance, then human behavior takes the form of judgment. Its economic aspect should be borne goes away. This statement is given by option A Professor Marshall, option B Professor Robbins, option C, Professor Keynes, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number B, Professor Robbins. Question 54 is total utility is maximum when option A, marginal utility is 0, option B, marginal utility is at its maximum, option C, marginal utility and all utility are equal, and option D is average utility is maximum. So total utility is maximum when marginal utility is 0. Moving on to the next question, when a consumer consumes many units of a good, then last unit to be consumed is called as, options are option A, marginal unit, option B, gratifying unit, option C, production unit, and option D is last unit. So your answer will be option number A, marginal unit. Question 56 is the marginal utility for a quantity of a good is the license in its total utility which results from one more unit of consumption. The author of this statement is, or the statement was given by. So the options are option A, Marshall, option B, Bagh, option C, Boulding, and option D is Hicks. So your answer is option number B, that is Bagh. Okay, this is the correct spelling. Moving on to the next question. The sum of the marginal utility derived from each of the consumption of more than one unit of a commodity is, options are option A, positive utility, option B, negative utility, option C, total utility, and option D is marginal utility. So your answer is option number C, total utility. The next one is total utility is the sum of marginal utility obtained as a result of consumption of successive units of a commodity, which economist has given the following statement. Options are option A, Mayers, option B, Marshall, option C, Boulding, and option D is Hicks, and your answer is option A, Mayers. Moving on to question number 59, a course based on psychology is called option A, content centered, option B, experience centered, option C, child centered, and option D is purpose centered, and your answer is option C, child centered. Question number 60 is the originator of planning method is option A, Herbert, option B, Morrison, option C, Kilpatrick, and option D is John Dewey. So your answer will be option number C, Kilpatrick is the originator of planning method. Question 61 is who uses the planning method? Option A, child-centered curriculum, option B, typical social life, option C, integrated curriculum, and option D is purpose oriented. So your answer will be option number C, integrated curriculum. The next one is the importance to the core curriculum is given in option A, normal social life, option B, specific social life, option C, both of the above, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C, both of the above. The next one is integrated curriculum was developed in options are option A, England, option B, India, option C, in America, and option D is Germany. So your answer is option number C, in America. The next one is, who developed experience-centered curriculum? Option A, Spencer. Option B, Anderson. Option C, John Dewey. And option D is Herbert. So your answer will be John Dewey. John Dewey is the one who developed experience-centered curriculum. The next question is, the basis of learning matrix is option A, curriculum. Option B, objective. Option C, both of the above, and option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C, both of the above, that means A and B. Next one is, the originator of question answer method is option A, John Dewey. Option B, Kilpatrick. Option C, Socrates. And option D is Plato. So question answer method was given by option C, Socrates. Moving on to the next question, in observational studies, importance is given to option A, individual variation. Option B, to mature. Option C, to students' activity. And option D, all of these. So your answer is option D, all of these. Question number 68 is, inductive deductive method means. Options are option A, rules to example. Option B, example to rules. Option C, both of these. And option D is none of these. So your answer will be option number C, both of these. Moving on to the next question. Story method is used in option A, geography. Option B, history. Option C, civics. And option D, all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. Question number 70 is, remedial teaching method is option A, question answer method. Option B, planning method. Option C, observational studies. And option D is interpretation method. So your answer will be option number C, observational study. Question 71 is, the originator of planning method is option A, Socrates. Option B, John Dewey. Option C, Kilpatrick. And option D is Skinner. So your answer will be option C, Kilpatrick. Moving on to the next question, the main uses of auxiliary technologies are option A, opportunity of perception. Option B, regularity in studies. Option C, development of intelligibility. Option B, all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. The next one is, the main advantage of educational tourism is option A, perception. Option B, development of interest in the subject. Option C, increase in holding power. And option D, all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. Question 74 is, the main advantage of casual test is option A, increase in achievements. Option B, regularity in studies. Option C, practice of taking exams. And option D is all of these. So your answer will be option D, all of these. Moving on to the next question, question 75, the advantage of team teaching is option A, profit of experts. Option B, regularity in study. Option C, comprehension of the subject. And option D is all of the above. So the advantage of teaching will be all of these. So option D will be your right answer. Question 76 is, the advantage of social clubs is option A, debating ability. Option B, skill of discussing on the topic. Option C, ability to express. And option D is all of these. Option D, all of these will be your right answer. Moving on to the next question, the advantage of laboratory is option A, learning by doing, option B, opportunity of observation, option C, perception, and option D, all of the above. So option D, all of the above will be your right answer. Question number 78 is the fundamental element of the teaching model is option A, form, option B, target, option C, social system, and option D is all of these. So the answer will be option D, all of these. Question number 79 is who developed the basic teaching model? Options are option A, Jean Piaget, option B, B.F. Skinner, option C, Robert Glaser, and option D is Gardner. So your right answer will be option number C, Robert Glaser is the originator of the basic teaching model. The next question is the stimulated response model was developed by option A, Flander, option B, Oliver, option C, Hilda Taba, and option D is Skinner, and the right answer is option D, Skinner is the originator of the simulated response model. Question 81 is who is the originator of org measure model? Options are option A, David Ausubel, option B, John Dewey, option C, Carl Rosser, and option D is Hilda Taba, and the answer is David Ausubel. Question number 81 is modern teaching elements have been classified as option A in 3 families, option B 4 families, option C 2 families, and option D is none of these. So the right answer is option B in 4 families. Question 82 is the main component of instructional process is option A creative model, option B arrival pattern, option C basic model, and option D exemplary. So your right answer will be option number C basic model. Question 83 is the main function of the element of the form of Skinner's model is option A response, option B stimulation, option C reinforcement, and option D is all of the above, and your right answer is option D all of the above. Question 84 is who developed the computer assisted model or who developed CAI? Options are option A J.S. Brunner, option B David Ausubel, option C William Glaser, and option D is Stralock and Davis. So your answer is option D Stralock and Davis. Moving on to the next question, the main term of evaluation dimension is option A behavioral change, option B objectives of teaching, option C learning experiences, and option D all of these. So your right answer is option D all of these. Question number 86 is the main objective of the education process are option A affective motive, option B cognitive objective, option C functional objective, and option D is all of the above. So the answer is option D all of the above. Moving on to the next question, the nature of learning experience is option A child centered, option B teacher centered, option C purpose focused, and option D all the three. So the answer is option C purpose focused. Question number 88 is the basis of assessment of children is option A curriculum, option B behavioral change, option C learning experience, and option D is none of these. So the right answer is option A curriculum. Question number 89, the arrangement of the teaching process is for option A students, option B for the content, option C for the purpose, and option D is method of teaching. So the right answer is option C for the purpose. Question number 90 is lesson plan requires option A sequence of presentation, option B elements of the content, option C nature of teaching activities, and option D all of the above. So the correct answer will be option number D. All of the above. Question number 91 is ancient lesson plan was given by option A B.S. Bloom, option B Herbert, option C Kilpatrick, and option D none of these. So your answer will be option number B. Herbert gave the old lesson plan. Question number 92 is assessment lesson plan was given by option A Morrison, option B John Dewey, option C is B.S. Bloom, and option D is all of these. So the correct answer will be option number C Bloom. Assessment lesson plan was given by B.S. Bloom. Coming on to question number 93, the terms of assessment lesson plan are option A 5, option B 3, option C 6, and option D none of these. So the correct answer is option B 3. Question number 94 is the main aspect of the lesson plan is option A input, option B output, option C process, and option D all of the above. So your answer will be option number D all of the above. Question number 95 is the main activities of the lesson plan are option A presentation, option B teaching objective, option C evaluation, and option D is all of these. So your right answer is option D all of these. The main part of the lesson plan is option A elements of the content, option B law and procedures, option C accessories, and option D is all of the above. So the right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 97 is importance to presentation in lesson plan is given by option A Herbert lesson plan, option B assessment lesson plan, option C both A and B, and option D is none of these. So the answer will be option A. Importance to presentation was given in Herbert lesson plan. Question number 98 is lesson plan aims at option A council lesson plan, option B Bloom lesson plan, option C both A and B, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer is option number C both A and B. Question 99, the function of honor is option A diagnosis, option B prior statement, option C clarity, and option D is all of these. So your answer is option D all of these. The last question of this session is the nature of assessment is option A qualitative, option B consequential, option C both A and B, and option D is none of these. So the answer is option number C both A and B. With this I would like to end today's video, and I hope the video is going to be helpful for you, and if it is, please like, share and subscribe, and also watch the whole video. Thank you guys.